Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the stamp set At Home With You. This stamp set is really versatile. It can celebrate any season of the year, spring, summer, winter, fall, also Christmas, also, new home welcoming, that sort of thing. It's a really cute stamp set. So I have chosen the Merry Christmas sentiment from the stamp set and stamped that in Memento Tuxedo Black ink on a little piece of Whisper White Thin. And I also have inked up my little Charlie Brown Christmas tree front and center as well. So this is my Smoky Slate Blends marker, and I just sort of scuffed on the ground. And then that was my Crumb Cake dark marker, and I just put the where it would be the darkest shadows, that sort of thing. And now I came in with my light Crumb Cake to sort of blend it all together. And I'm doing this again with the Shaded Spruce Blends marker, just making lines basically, and then going in and coloring all around with the Shaded Spruce light marker. My Christmas balls I've chosen to be Cherry Cobbler, and you can't see because my big thumb is in the way, but that's pretty much it. I'm just coloring, and it's simple. Then I've adhered this to a piece of gray granite card. And this star pattern is from Festive Farmhouse Designer Series paper. And then I back that with another piece of gray granite cardstock. This is thick Whisper White cardstock and just a few strips of adhesive along the back. I'm going to pop this guy up on dimensionals. One of the things that I am going to do is add some glitter, and some sort of a wet glue, the fine tip glue pen. So I've taken the backings of my dimensionals off, but I'm not putting it on the card yet. Just holding it in my hand, and I will put the fine tip glue on my Christmas balls, and then I'll scuff it along the ground. So I want it to make that it's kind of a little snowy on the ground. So here's my glitter. And now I will press it on the card and put it somewhere safe for it to dry. And that is a simple card, but it's got a couple little different techniques to it. So that's why I put it in on Wednesday. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.